In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ClickMonitorDDC tool on your Windows computer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, first to get ClickMonitorDDC, you need to go ahead and download this file on your computer so you can visit this ClickMonitorDDC official website and then download the file here. Once you have downloaded it, go ahead and open the download location. You can see my file is here. From here, you can go ahead and extract this zip file or double click on it and you should see ClickMonitorDDC file is here. If you double click on this, it will go ahead and open this window, which you can use to adjust your settings. So ClickMonitorDDC helps you to adjust various parameters such as brightness and contrast of your monitor effortlessly without having to follow many processes. You can also use this to adjust volume as well as turn off and even restart your computer. And you can see we have the functionalities down here. Now that you have downloaded it, if you don't see this icon, you can go ahead and find the shortcut here under show more or hidden icon here. And you can see we have these numbers. These will show the level of contrast, brightness, and even the volume. So if you click on it, it will again open this window. From here, you can now start adjusting any of these. For instance, should I want to adjust the contrast of my monitor, just go ahead and adjust this bar to a level that you feel you are comfortable with. And you can see the more I click on it, it will adjust it to the upper, and if I click downward, it will go ahead and reduce it. So I'll reduce it to 40, and here we go. Also, the volume, you can reduce it or you can also increase it depending on the level that you are comfortable with. So you can also go ahead and turn off or on your display straight from here. So that's how you can use ClickMonitorDDC on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.